Thank you for viewing this demonstration of the Amazing Charts Practice Management System. For today's demonstration, we will be looking at the reporting functionality that is provided with the Practice Management System. Now, by default, as part of the implementation process, we will equip you with a list of recommended reports and the frequency that you should run the reports, as well as a set of reconcilable reports that you can run these different reports and compare the balances to make a reconciliation of your day, week, month, etc. Now, let's look at the categories first. So we have reconciliation reports. Some examples here are the deposit slip, which balances the cash collected in-house as well as through the electronic system. There are transaction details, transaction by user, daily collections report, procedure activity by location, activity by payer, appointment charge exception, unbilled transactions, incompatible charge payer, payment analysis, and payment application analysis. And those are the reconciliation reports. There are also a set of accounts receivable reports such as aged AR, detail or summary, unapplied patient payment list, collection summary, there's an AR summary, activity summary by provider, and practice activity summary. Now there are also table reports. Now these reports show you in a user-friendly view all of the data that you've loaded into your admin settings for the practice. For example, your list of carriers, your list of diagnoses, your list of plans, procedures, and providers. There are also a set of patient and account information reports, and those are broken up into two main categories. There are demographic reports, which focus on patient information, and there are also financial reports, such as a credit balance report, personal injury report, patient billing status report. There's also a category here for labels and letters. These would allow you to print either custom labels or custom letters for recall summaries, for referrals, for sending referrals to other providers, collection reports, appointment reports. There are also an unpaid claims report for insurance claims. And there are also system and security reports just showing you activity that different users have taken within the system. There's also this set of practice analysis reports. Now the practice analysis reports show you different patterns and sets of information about how you're using the system. For example, there's a diagnosis utilization report showing you how many times certain diagnoses have been used. There's also procedure searching, recall analysis, visit exception list report, provider reimbursement analysis, and there are also appointment reports showing you either the recall list, recall status, the list of rescheduled, canceled, or no-showed appointments, and there's also the standard daily appointment list report. There's also a category here for sample and archived reports. These are just if you choose to archive any reports and you don't want them available, they will be displayed here. There's also a way to search reports down here, and you can also manage custom reports. Now, defining which reports that you should be using on a regular basis and how you should use them and what types of information will come in each report is something that we will work with you during the implementation process on how to run. So let's take a look, and we'll run a demographics report. We'll run the patient list. For the patient list report, there are a variety of parameters that you can set, such as primary care provider, etc. The only required field here is the date. I'm going to also set a primary care provider of our main provider at this practice, and I'm going to click Save. The report will open in a browser window with a nice user-friendly view of the information. This is just a simple report for the patient list. And I can close this, I could print it, I could download it. I'm going to close the window here and brings me right back to the reporting screen. I want to thank you for your time in viewing this demonstration of the reporting functionality for the Amazing Charts Practice Management System.